Hi everyone, welcome to TechBang. It's been almost 2 years since Elon Musk first unveiled his futuristic electric pickup truck. It seems even those who wouldn't bat an eye at new vehicle debuts know about the Cybertruck. So, if you are one of those, then you already know this triangle-shaped truck's production saw some delay after its launch in 2019. But after almost 2 years of its unveiling, the Cybertruck customers are finally getting some very good news. What are those? Well, much has been rumored about what to expect. We will talk about the production start date, the impressive design changes, and of course the price. Directly jumping into the main topic of the video, Tesla has been reaching out to Cybertruck customers with the news of their anticipated electric pickup being delivered to them soon. There was concern that Tesla was going to miss its initial target of late 2021 production window. Upon asking about the Tesla Cybertruck's production status on Twitter, Elon Musk did respond in a way you can say. He ignored the question altogether and provided an update on Model Y production, causing some to believe that Cybertruck availability was behind schedule. As Tesla is still working on building Gigafactory Texas, Musk was hinting us with a possible delay of the Cybertruck production. Thankfully, it appears that isn't the case after all. Tesla confirmed that the production of Cybertruck should begin in 2021 in a letter to order holders. These texts are being sent to people that have already reserved a Cybertruck, with Tesla also taking the opportunity to nudge them towards test driving a Model 3 and Model Y while they wait. Customers ordering now will be able to complete their configurations near to the start of production. The company also says that the cheaper, rear-wheel drive model will only be available in late 2022. Here's what the CEO of Tesla had to say. "If we get lucky, we'll be able to do a few deliveries toward the end of this year, but I expect volume production to be in 2022. Cybertruck and the Giga Texas. Recently, we are getting the news that Tesla is currently focused on building the pilot production line at the Fremont factory. In addition, the company is planning all the details of how the line will operate at Giga Texas, which will save several months before production starts. But it actually seems that the largest factory of Tesla in Texas will be home to almost the entire line of Tesla vehicles, including the Cybertruck. Spotted in a new drone video from Gigafactory Texas, the Cybertruck has been placed upstairs at the facility as construction continues to roll on in the plant that is located just outside Austin city limits. In April 2021, Tesla shared a tweet saying the Cybertruck at Giga Texas. Just a couple of days later, Elon Musk tweeted that he had personally taken the prototype electric pickup for a spin. "I was just there, driving Cybertruck around the site where it will be built. It is the very facility that would be producing it in the not-too-distant future, Giga Texas." Although Tesla is yet to confirm that piece of news, it is most likely. The Gigafactory in Texas is still being developed, and Tesla said the automaker's fourth factory would be operational sometime this year. Building the factory, and at the same time they are testing the Cybertruck. Pretty impressive. Tesla can't afford any delays with the Cybertruck. When it was unveiled back in 2019, the Cybertruck took the whole world by surprise for sure. That may have been a one-of-a-kind vehicle back in 2019. That's no longer the case in mid-2021. Ford recently jumped into the all-electric truck race with the F-150 Lightning. The promising Rivian electric trucks are also on track to compete with the big names. And then there's the Hummer EV. It's a good thing Tesla isn't facing any delays for the vehicle because it will be hard competition as of now. Delaying the production won't be that good for the largest EV manufacturers. Some change in design? We already know that the body is constructed of the same hard stainless steel material used in the SpaceX shuttle, and that it will accelerate from 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds with an 800 horsepower electric battery. This allows the angular EV to tow up to 14,000 pounds. But there are some new features of the Cybertruck that are being announced by Elon Musk. Like firstly, this electric pickup truck won't have any door handles, so bye-bye the traditional car doors. This new feature updates straight from the Twitter account of Elon Musk. When asked about new and interesting stuff about the Cybertruck, Elon had this to share. There will be no handles. Although Ford was the first one to apply handleless doors, it does represent an interesting peek at the direction in which Tesla is taking its yet-to-be-released utility vehicle. He did not explain what the alternatives to handle would end up being, or why Tesla has decided to make this design choice with its upcoming electric truck. Secondly, it looks like the initial Cybertruck model we all saw at the unveiling has gone through a diet because the size of it was reduced. Musk stated that the truck would see a 5% reduction in size before going into production. Why? According to Musk, the prototype was too big to fit in a standard parking space and needed downsizing. Musk casually said he had instructed his engineers to reduce the vehicle's every dimension by 5%. Then lastly, Elon Musk said that he's considering a Twitter user's idea of adding a midgate in the Tesla Cybertruck to increase storage space. They want to make the electric truck's rear window rollable into the rear panel and make that panel foldable to increase the storage space of the bed. This isn't the first time we've seen a solution like this. The first and second generation Chevrolet Avalanche and Cadillac EXT pickups also feature a folding rear partition similar to this, which was referred to as the midgate. So these are the major changes the Cybertruck design will or supposed to have when they roll out. The motor variants. 3 versions of the Tesla Cybertruck are going to be available with different battery packs and drivetrain configurations. While the single-motor truck has rear-wheel drive, the 2 and 3 motor models have all-wheel drive. The single-motor RWD version will offer 250 miles of range. Tesla claims it'll go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds and top out at 110 miles per hour. The dual-motor Cybertruck will reportedly reach 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 ticks and have a top speed of 120 miles per hour. This version will reach 300 miles of range. The more motors your Cybertruck has, the better its performance, with a tri-motor version able to zoom from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds. And it will be able to go the aforementioned 500 miles on a single charge. Price. Cybertruck's price will start at $40,000 for the single-motor model. The dual-motor will cost $50,000, and the 3-motor one will cost $70,000. If you think those numbers are quite big, then FYI, Tesla has already accumulated over 1 million Cybertruck reservations, according to the latest tally. Do you still need an explanation why Elon Musk is the second richest man in the world? That's all for now. I hope you've learned all about the Cybertruck updates. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and turn on notifications so you're up to date on the channel's updates. See you in the next video.